Hello, welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson. It's Seasons Week here at Tàijíquán Tip. Today's Tàijíquán Tip here at Someday Farm, here in this life, here in this endless consideration of Taoism and its wonders. Um, so today's Tàijíquán Tip, again about seasons, is to consider your practice session. So I'm thinking here of kind of your ordinary practice session. You might kind of have I do these warm ups, and then I do this cardio, then I do this self massage, then I do these two all my form practice, and then I do two-person practice or weapon practice or sparring or whatever. So you might kind of have a generalized sort of skeleton of what a workout looks like. Um, I'm thinking here of a practice session rather than a class. So I'm kind of talking to somebody who's practicing on their own, less than following a class. But you could kind of do a version of this in terms of a class, whether you're taking the class or offering the class. But the idea is to consider your practice session to be made of each of the seasons. I say each of the seasons because if it's a complete practice session, we'd expect it to be a full cycle, not just some of the seasons are represented. So, what order is the practice session in? Right? Does it begin with spring? Does it begin with winter? Maybe if it doesn't begin with spring, and spring seems the most sensible thing to begin with, you consider reordering it, or at least playing with reordering it to see what you learn. What order is the practice session in now that you consider the elements of the session to be seasons, right? So if you've shifted it now that you're thinking of seasons, what is the order now? Does it start with sparring instead of end with sparring? Does it have the self massage at the start instead of in the end, or whatever? So lots to consider there. I hope that you do. I trust that you do. And keep doing those practice sessions and add something in the comments. Let me know what seasons your practice session is in, please.
Thanks for showing your support for today's Tàijíquán tip. Tips really go a long way. And if you can't afford to help financially, comment, subscribe, share, and like, and all that stuff. To be in touch with me, go to my Linktree, Someday Farm. Thank you.